Hi, today in this video I will show you how to write a customized professional resume using Microsoft Word and AI tools. So you first open the Microsoft Word, and in the Microsoft Word you can see the add-ins. I just click on add-ins, then you have to type over here Ghostwriter. I have already added the plugin and you can see it. Okay, you have just search for it and click on the button add, and your plugin will be added over here. Okay, and now just to click on this. Okay, now just give a prompt. So if you're looking for a software job, you have to just type in provide me a template of resume for software job. Okay, you have to just type over here. Yeah, here it comes. So you are provided with a template, a resume model for applying for software job, and you are just to edit it according to your personal details and all. You are just to edit it.